Alrighty, time to put this kit together. See how it looks. I already finished putting on all the photo etch parts, and I even put it on parts that didn't realize it needed it. For example, I put photo etch parts here. Yet, for whatever reason, after reviewing the manual, this doesn't get exposed that much unless you turn it in a specific angle and it shows. We'll see what happens once we put the armor on. So, first we take this, connect that, like that. Actually, we didn't need this. This one goes to the waist in it. Then I take this, bring it up like that, like so. Bring this down, or actually we take it off because we're going to need it to connect to this. And I put that there and close it up. Ooh, I knew I forgot something. There was one time I was actually considering putting little holes on this, but thought maybe that's a little too much. Alright, so we take that, put that over here. We take this, put that over there. So it looks like that. And of course, I think these notches have to be back there. And no, I think it's the opposite direction. Hold on a second, let's take this off. Oh no, because these things have to hang over. Alright, so I was right the first time. Alright. Manual looked a little weird. And I probably misinterpreted. Alright. Now, I'll take these two off. Put this one over here. And then this one over here. Make sure it goes all the way in through. And then, put this one on, like so. And then put this one over it, like so. Hold on a second. Just want to make sure I get that in there. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I want to make sure this thing goes all the way up. Yeah, there are notches there, so that has to snap in. There, I heard the snap. Okay. Now then. Slide that in, please. Good. Now you don't see it. Now we take this. That's good. That's good. Excellent. Alright, so this part is done. And here are the pegs there, the holes there, the holes there, and if you flip it around, the holes there. The photo etch parts has like the smallest size hole, which is 1.5, and these are 1.5 diameter. Perfect for these, so I left that there. The head. I didn't want to put holes on this also because I thought maybe that was a little too much. So it was a wise choice right there. I've painted this like that. I was gonna put like a silver, like the Molotov pen, but then I forgot I had a metallic bluish green, like one of these markers, and it looks good like that. So I think that should be okay. And we have the chin. All right, there we go. Now we put the. Oops, wrong way. Put that there till it catches. Come on. There we go. Put this one here. Okay, next, face mask goes in there. Oh, forgot the back neck. I'm a little too excited. I know I should have prepared this, but I'm just liking how so far this thing has come out as perfect as possible. Alright, so we put that like this, and then we have this part. There we go. There we go. Then we have this, goes in there, and the little Vulcan cannon. Now that is cool. And I might as well put this together so it looks nice. There we go. This part is complete. Let us now move on to the next part of this kit. So now we're going to work on the arms of the Master Grade Jegan. And I've already put on all the photo etch parts, as you can see here. And these are now new ones. These, I was counting what I had, and the set that I had was good for like the bottom part of the leg. I needed to open up the other set, and the new set is a little different now. It's a little bit of a different pattern. There you go. So these will be for here. Actually, I did the regular one notch set for the shoulders, while the 3-notch set for the arms. So let's assemble let's do the shoulder first. I like to do this one first. Take this part, put that here. So it goes all the way in. Feels like it's not, but there we go. Wait a minute, I'm sorry. Let's try that one more time. Huh. Sticking outwards. I don't see nothing hung up there. I think we'll figure it out once I push the other part in. So we'll do that now. There we go. That went in. Now we'll take this. Put that there. Good. Now this one goes here. And then this one goes here. And since So this part here goes there. It's a shame you didn't come with an extra thruster for the back part. So that looks good like that. So that completes that. I know what you're saying. I'll explain that in a moment. Oh, I forgot this. So we got this part that goes... Actually, we need this, because this goes in here. Pop it out. Then slide that through there. Let me just make sure I'm good. Yeah, that's better. Put that there. That goes there. And that goes there. Now we put the arm part, the armored hand. There we go. That completes the arms of the Master Grade Jegan. I'm just going to put it like that. And like that. See? Now, you guys are wondering what happened to this. When I sprayed it, actually, let me just show it to you right here. When I sprayed this part, you know, I got the front part, but I didn't grab the edges. And when I put one of them in, you still see the orange. So that I need to retouch up on this. So this will be repainted again, and I'll put it back on. One other note here is that I was thinking of putting, I have two types of photo etch parts or detailed parts that we could use. One was this, which I believe these are like a sticker type setup, and I think one of these can fit there. Or, and I have this one here, which has this part, but I don't think, yeah, I don't think that will work over this. So I'm looking into the possibility of this, but if not, I may end up not using it, because there's enough spacing in here maybe to do a little bit more detail. So I'm thinking of maybe painting this little part there using the Gundam markers or anything like that. I'll flesh it out and figure it out soon enough. But anyway, there's the arms. Let us now move on to the next part of the build.